Hello guys, what's up? So if you are a small content creator, so this video is for you. So if you are a small content creator and you want to grow your followers and of course your views and more engagement, so here's the things that you need to do. So guys, you need to support those people who are supporting to you, because you know without the support from the other content creator, you will not succeed by alone. So guys, we need the group or those people who are supporting you. So guys, here's my profile. So I want to show you why from 20,000 now I reached 32,000. Here's the things that I'm doing right now, and you can do also so that you will grow your followers and of course your views and engagement. So guys, as you can see, this is my profile. So as you can see on my timeline, I'm sharing anybody live. Guys, take note, I am not choosing anyone. If I am free, of course, definitely I will share anybody live, my followers, because sharing is caring. So guys, as you can see, not only one, two, but many people I share their live. During the live, I'm sharing only live, guys. Take note, only the live. Okay, so during the live of the followers or the people that I'm engaging them, so I'm sharing the live because I do believe that they care me also. They share my live during my live session also. They are sharing my live, so I care them. So during the time that I am free, of course, I'm sharing their live because sharing is caring, and these people that you care them, of course, definitely in return they will care you also. So that's why sharing is caring. So as you can see, guys, many people during the live session, if they are live, if I am available, I am sharing their live. So this one is the one I'm doing so that my followers are grown and become from 20,000 now I reached 32,000. So you can do it to yourself. If you are a new content creator and still you have a few followers, you can do it also. And of course, engaging is the best way. So all you have to do, you need to visit to those people who are engaging to those people that engaging on your video. So comment their visit their video, engage them, and definitely in return they will return back to you and watch also your video. Because guys, we are not famous, we are not celebrity, so we are a small content creator. So without the support from the other content creator, so we are not succeed here. We are not the same as celebrity that only upload the video and all people watch them because they are celebrity and they are famous. So what we need to do is we need to support each other in order to grow and to raise up, to grow together. So that's the thing that I do now, and in the past 3 weeks I earned 10,000 followers. So guys, so believe me, so if you follow my advice, so you will be succeed here and work with me. We can support each other and we can grow together. So I hope you understand. So guys, by the way, for the live share that you share in your timeline, if you are not yet monetized, so before you apply on your monetization, so if you are worried that it might be you will not approve, so you can delete that one, so after the live session. But for me, guys, for those for those people that I share their live, so I will delete that one after 1 week. So that's for my duration, I will delete after 1 week. But for those people who shared my live, because you know, for those people who shared my live, so I care them because they share my live. So like 2 to 3 days I will check. So to those people who shared my live, I will give some gift from them because you know they care a lot of me. So that's it. So I hope guys you got a lesson to my tutorial for today. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to follow or subscribe me. Thank you so much and have a nice day. So bye bye.